The production presents.
Hello and welcome to MT Flies.
One second. Clap.
Fuck you guys.
Clap. Come on. Look at this broken man. What exactly happened?
So what happened was I went to Radisson Blue for buffet and
He's name dropping the place.
no, the place was amazing. The place was amazing.
Okay.
I went to the buffet and there was soup. So
Good soup.
the bowl was there and second degree burns.
No one understood it.
Huh?
What do you mean?
We didn't understand shit. Even I was there. I saw it happen. So what did it show me?
Yeah, man, I have PTSD. Wallah, I have PTSD of soup right now.
Which soup was it?
I think Tom Yum.
No.
Oh no, miso ramen. Best Korean food ever.
It's Japanese. It was a Japanese restaurant.
We tried Japanese or Asian food. We tried Asian sake.
It's Japanese sake.
Asian Japanese.
Japanese.
So they are Asians.
Do you have anything to add to this? Because he's
No.
going on rant about
No,
this.
like I've
I
seen
love
the
sushi though.
picture he sent and it looked very bad. It looked like, I don't know, a very big
Yeah.
No, you know what it looks like? It looks like inverted Indian roads.
No, you
Yeah.
know what it looks like?
Inverted Indian roads.
When they removed the liquid and all that, yeah, it felt like a ball sack. It was very wrinkly.
What are you, 75?
Yeah, they're not smooth, man.
with the hair on your hand. It might
No, the hair went. Bro, I shaved down there. Yeah, I take each part of the ball sack and
It's part of the
Why are you talking with bro?
This TMI. This TMI. People
Guys,
are actually.
men's grooming is very important. Always shave down there. You know, if you're expecting guests.
He said yes, yeah. I'm just thinking to myself, when was the last time someone ever visited his house? It's been years.
It's not been years. It's been a few dry months.
So,
Oh God, it's been a long time.
Yeah, you're halal, yeah?
Yeah.
Halal boys.
Halal.
Unlike you.
Halal.
We don't talk TMI
Very,
and
very,
stuff.
very, very halal. Very, very.
Okay, fuck this. Apart from your hand burning, what's going on in your life?
I am looking for a leather bag.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, for fuck's sake.
Why are you looking for a leather bag?
Okay. Let me tell you why. Yeah? You buy a bag.
Okay.
How many years do you use it?
I don't know, last time I bought a bag was in school, so that lasted me a year.
I used it for around 3 months and I enjoyed it.
A year?
Why do you throw it away after a year?
No, 'cause it's the next school year, yeah. So if I'm using all of grade 6, then when I go to grade 7, I want people to look at me like I'm the hip guy, so I buy new clothes,
Okay,
pencil boxes.
Okay, imagine you get a bag with like genuine leather and then you know it's gonna last you for like 4 years, 5 years, it looks good. Would you get it or no? It's 50% off there.
Yeah, 50% off, but let me tell you, after the 30% off,
50,
30,
50,
30,
50.
30. I saw
Put
it.
it up. Put it up.
Pick one. Regardless, this bag costs 1,000 dirhams.
Okay. So 30% off is what?
1,900.
700 dirham.
1,900.
Okay. If it's 1,000, revolve it around, like round it up to 1,000.
Yeah.
30% off is 700 dirhams.
No, it was 1,500. Then it became 1,000. That's 30%.
That's not 50%. What math are you doing? Even I understood that much. 1,000 dirham for a leather bag. What company is it from?
I mean, I could get a Louis
This
Vuitton
is why
bag,
we
but
call him the
it's like
Givenchy
10K or
boy.
something.
This guy has everything branded.
No, I don't.
Everything
Guys,
branded.
this is a lie. I only like the Lacoste bag because it looks nice. That's the first luxury item I'm getting. So yeah.
First
luxury item.
First.
Yeah.
What about the Marshall speakers? That's luxury.
That's not luxury. It's just a
That's
speaker.
no, that's luxury.
What about the 70-inch TV in your house? That's luxury.
Bro, it's
What about your Givenchy?
It's in the hall. It's
What
like
about your
my
Givenchy
phone.
t-shirt?
What about your Givenchy t-shirts? Your Armani t-shirts? Your Givenchy perfumes?
I don't have an Armani.
You have
Armani
Armani jacket. You have
You do.
blue.
Yeah. Blue.
That's a t-shirt.
Blue.
Boris said it before we did.
You bought it $800. Yes or no?
No.
Yes, I lent you the money. I remember.
7.
You.
Jesus. What is the most expensive thing you've actually bought for yourself?
Actually, that's a good question.
Yeah, that's a good question, isn't it?
What's the most expensive thing you have bought?
For yourself.
For myself,
Yeah.
I'd say a watch, bro. You don't do watch.
Shut up, man. Let me listen to this one. I'm curious.
maybe an Apple Watch.
Doesn't count.
The iPhone might maybe.
No, doesn't count. I'm talking about like clothing, particularly clothing, not accessories. I'm saying t-shirt, jeans, shorts, shoes. Shoes counts fine. Shoes will count.
I think it's Armani.
No, I highly
That's-
doubt. I highly doubt.
I know for a
I
fact
highly-
one of the t-shirts that he wore that Givenchy won, I know for a fact that cost 1,100 at some point. I remember it when it came out. It was 1,100. So you telling me that you bought an 800 dirham Armani jacket is the most that's a lie and a half. That's a cap.
Let's move on.
No, why are we going to move on? I'm interested in this
No,
conversation.
you had something which you want, Spencer.
What do you have?
You bought decent clothes, didn't you?
Diesel is all, no, diesel is not that expensive.
Is it
Diesel is
expensive?
like
I bought t-shirt
700
700 dirhams.
Yeah, 700,
T-shirt.
800. He already has
700 is not expensive, and he feels my feeling hoodie is expensive. Wow.
your hoodie.
Yeah,
The
the
Armani
700
one.
Yeah.
Yeah, so what
How is that expensive?
What I'm trying to say is in comparison. I'm saying 700, 800 he already has. I'm thinking of something more
Okay, fine. I
expensive.
have a question to you. What's the most expensive accessory you want?
Accessories that I want.
Not cars, like watches, bracelets.
I have a fossil watch which it's the mechanical one that doesn't use batteries. That costed me a good like 3,000, 4,000 because it was gold and blue. But that's a watch, fossil.
Also, it's never 2 to 5, 6,000 dirhams.
It's mechanical.
Anyway, we're gonna put a thing on the screen to see, fact check, you know.
I got like this big tiny item for like 4K, and I'm getting this big bag for like.
It's a watch.
What's
It's
your time
a bag.
A watch. I'm
It's
gonna
a
give to my
watch.
children.
I need water. I'm gonna come back. You guys discuss your bullshit. I need water. I'm back, motherfuckers.
So again, your most expensive accessory is around say 3,000 dirhams.
Yeah,
A
roughly
fossil watch
3,000.
for 3,000 dirhams is unheard of, but okay, fine. I'd say my most expensive would be like I can't count my phones, I can't count my car. So I'd say I guess a watch as well. Police around 2.5k for 2.
So that's what 1 point.
No, you buy one get one, so you have to put that 2.5.
Oh, okay, fair enough.
No, then mine's also the Apple Watch.
That's I don't buy that. I don't know why. Apple
It's
Watch
an
doesn't-
accessory. How is that not
No,
an
but
accessory?
Apple Watch doesn't count. Like an Apple
Can I
Watch.
count my hair? I just spend
Shut
a lot
up.
of money on my hair.
Is that an
Probably.
accessory? Would you bought your hair?
He did technically. He did technically.
I
But
did
remember,
burn
he
it.
burnt it. Remember?
Yeah.
He burnt it last week.
I got a hair treatment for like 500 bucks. It's luscious.
What is wrong with? And then he calls both of us self-obsessed and self-obsessed with the hair particularly.
Yeah.
Goes ahead, does 500 dirham worth of.
Yeah, but this
treatments.
lasts at least 4 months. At
Hit
least.
him, no. Hit him.
At least.
Someone hit him.
Guys, just roast him on the comments, yeah?
Oh, good idea. Good idea. You know what we should do?
See,
We should go on
I
Reddit.
don't identify having straight hair. I identify having curly, luscious locks.
You don't identify straight what?
What?
Yeah, he said that, right? He said he
Cut it, I cut the hair.
I'll bleep it. I identify as a straight,
Straight hair.
not straight hair.
Fuck it, you're confused shit out of me.
You said you identify as curly hair, right?
Yeah.
So he's into curly.
Not.
God.
It's okay, happens. So he swings like this. Your hair. It's just gonna bleep the hair part every single time. Okay. On the topic of the most expensive thing, did you guys actually see that Elon is not buying Twitter?
That's very old news.
Is it?
The more pressing news would be actually KSI.
Ooh.
No, what happened?
On topic of gambling and money. So, KSI was supposed to fight Alex Wasabi on 27th of August. Nobody. He's literally
Alex
nobody.
Wasabi fought Deji, for those of you who don't know, including you. He fought KSI's brother.
Yeah,
you
brother.
know nothing about YouTube boxing. So
Ah, this is
this is
really
UAE. This is
Yeah,
UAE.
Zone him out of
This
this.
is zone him out.
Zone him out. Okay.
Still keep me on last one.
Your last questions? He'll be a viewer. Like he'll be one of the viewers. Okay. So basically, KSI being the biggest British YouTuber, his brother is Deji Olatunji, also known as Comedy Shots Game on YouTube. Fought Alex Wasabi, who is basically a clown and nobody.
Alex Wasabi is. I like Alex. I respect the guy.
Clearly.
His video was so heartwarming and like
Is this
warm.
name actually like Wasabi?
Yeah. He's Filipino, I think. Half Filipino, half American or something like that.
Isn't Wasabi like the.
Yes, wasabi is basically
Yeah.
a seasoning or
Okay, go on.
Okay, so basically Alex Wasabi beat the shit out of Deji in the boxing match, won, and then he was like, oh yeah, I can beat Big Deji, which is KSI, he made fun of him. And KSI was like, fine, I'll come down to your weight level. He went from like 200 kilograms, 200 pounds to like 170 pounds. Like, good chunk. Yeah. And then they had a face off and everything like that. And KSI looked, he looked good. Six-pack abs.
I can show a video over here of his transformation.
Yeah, amazing. We can put that transformation here.
Like the guy showed a video of him like having boobs.
Start of the year.
Boobs.
Start of the year.
So TikTok actually removed his video thinking his female boobs.
Start of the year.
Yeah. And then he posted it on Instagram or something.
Yeah.
And bro, shredded bro.
Chisel. Big chat energy. Yeah. Big chat energy. Yeah. Now, this guy, okay, was supposed to fight Alex on 27th. Alex saw what he's gone through, the transformation, everything, and even in the press conference, Alex did not say much. Everybody could see that.
Because KSI kept interrupting him.
That's fine. That's how it's supposed to be. It's a face-off. We need to get your opponent's side.
I am in both.
Like, you can't be in both.
Like this guy, I respect KSI, I respect Alex.
Sure you do.
But KSI needs to be humble because he's a bit too much ego. I like his videos and stuff, but when it comes to boxing, he has
less
too much
ego, it's more pride because he's done things.
Ego and pride are the same. They're all 7 deadly sins.
Okay. We're just gonna move on from it. We're just gonna move on from him. Turns out Alex Wasabi either injured his hand or got a concussion.
Concussion.
Even Keemstar said he broke his hand, whatever it was. Basically, he's not gonna fight. He's pulled out of the fight.
He didn't pull out from the fight. He said that he'll fight, but since head concussions are a serious matter, he'll postpone the fight. Which also means KSI's event is now fucked.
No, it's not.
So KSI said he's gonna go fight someone named Swarmy or something.
Swarms. Yeah, Swarms is basically.
Who knows this guy? Who knows Swarms?
Everyone in the UK.
No one knows him.
Everyone
he's a nobody. He's not even a boxer. He's a nobody.
Everyone in the UK knows him.
He's nobody.
He's a musician.
And he made fun of, and KSI made fun of Jake Paul, saying Jake Paul is fighting retired boxers and all that. Swarmy's not even a boxer.
He is.
He's a shit boxer.
At least
Logan Paul, after losing to KSI, he fought against Mayweather.
Exhibition match didn't count.
Fucking KSI, after being the champion, goes against some guy no one ever knows.
People know about Swarms. You don't know about Swarms. It's a different story.
Jake Paul gave KSI an offer.
No.
Yeah.
KSI gave Jake Paul an offer to fight on his card when his event completely got smashed.
No, because Jake Paul said no. Jake Paul said no. I'm gonna show all the stuff on the thing.
Okay, you're gonna edit this. Tony, you're off for the day. You're off. He's gonna do all this stuff. Because I know for a fact he's not gonna do it. If we tell Tony, oh yeah, put this in, he's gonna be like, nope. This is gonna be blank. Nothing is gonna be shown.
True though, it's true. Like Jake Paul on Twitter yesterday, maybe not aware of it.
I saw it.
He called KSI out. KSI what do you call it? Like, I want to fight on my own terms, blah blah blah. I'm not going to use it on the short notice.
Yeah, he's an A-side.
He's in, but now his event is going to fail.
It's not going to fail.
What about people actually paid tickets to go to the boxing
Do you know
match?
how much the tickets are? £11. Do you know how much Jake Paul was selling it for? Roughly around $60 US.
Yeah, but still, like
Jake Paul is nobody. Do you know how much Anthony Joshua's match is going for? Do you know how much Anthony Joshua's match is going for? £20.
Okay. This guy like what are you talking about? Okay. This guy's our audience basically.
He's our audience, like he needs to have gone on a rant. Okay.
You can know the audience.
Yeah, actually.
Yeah. We're just gonna zoom in on him, we're just gonna blur us out. Okay, fine. Apart from all of this going on, and apart from Elon not buying Twitter.
Such old news.
You didn't know.
Why is he not buying Twitter?
I don't know. He just said no.
No, apparently there was a discrepancy in Twitter's information which they gave to him about the amount of bots they have on their site.
And how many bots do they actually have?
I can't remember. It was a huge amount of percentage of their users. So
bots?
Yeah.
So not
fake
users
fake accounts.
What do you mean fake accounts? Like
Like
created by
bots,
Twitter
basically,
itself?
like people can buy views, you can buy stuff. Yeah.
That is there in every.
Yeah, but Twitter has a higher percentage than any other site.
Really, there are bots in
social media.
Yeah.
Social media, yeah.
But
I didn't know, like Instagram has
Yeah.
bots?
Yeah.
Instagram creates that?
Yeah.
No, not the website creators. Hackers do that.
Oh, okay.
Like for example, if you want certain amount of like likes on your video or like your post on Instagram or stories, for example, if you're a food blogger or something like that, you want stories. There were so many controversies like that.
Yeah.
The food bloggers and these bloggers, they all got
Like so many businesses in Dubai, they actually buy followers for their accounts.
yeah.
How do you buy followers?
You can easily buy.
Just
Insta
Google it.
followers.
Literally Google it. You Google
It's just
Instagram
risky though. Like you
followers,
have to enter credit card details, so.
and there's a chance of your account actually being blocked by Instagram if they find out. It's not worth the risk, if you like.
But what's
you're
the use of
nobody.
having that many?
Because say you have like around 20,000 followers, you seem more legit than someone has to.
Like instead of working for it, people take the shortcut, right? And they're like, oh yeah, let me just buy these many.
So they like only like or something? Do they like?
No, you don't.
No, they don't.
Because they
No,
have
no, no.
high followers but no likes.
It's just so for example, right now if you have 200 followers and you buy let's say 10,000, so it'll be 10,200. But on average, you only get like 20 views or 20 likes or 30 likes. That's all you'll get, regardless of how many followers you have. Because they're bots, they're just meant to increase your numbers.
That's it. It doesn't help much, but it
At
helps
all.
you seem more legit.
I mean, I guess so, but if someone actually goes, okay, for example, you show your Instagram profile to someone, how many followers do you have?
5,000.
5,000. Yeah, same 300. So if I actually go and buy, let's say, 20k followers today, and my account goes to
You get
20,300,
blocked most of the time.
if let's say I don't get blocked, I take the risk, I put my credit card details, don't get scammed out of this, which is a very big thing. And let's say I go to restaurants and come and I go like, oh, I'm a blogger, I do food stuff. I just post a couple of food things before going. And then, you know, at that moment, they're going to be like, yeah, sure, you look legit because they just see the number, they're not going to look at the views. But if I contact a marketing agency and I go like, hey, I have these many followers, I know I'm legit. They're going to do research. They're going to look for it and they're going to be like, this fucker ain't got shit.
In very news to UAE, Fujairah floods, fucked up shit.
Yeah, Fujairah
Fucked up shit.
I feel bad.
A few people died, few shops were destroyed over there.
Then the vegetable markets that are there
Yeah,
completely destroyed.
completely gone. Even a bit of Al-Kalba in Sharjah. Pretty much gone. It rained a bit in where I live as well, Narbana. A few roads were.
I remember,
blocked.
yeah, I came
Yeah.
to that day. We were supposed to
Have you
visit-
seen like the aftermath of what happened?
I wanted to go for Fujairah, but I want to go in my car as well.
I've seen like videos or almost
They're
like
still clearing out,
something.
yeah.
Yeah, they were like inside the house. It's like all their furniture, everything's
It's
like
floating.
Yeah.
No, now you know after
Yeah.
the flood started clearing out, it's like the furniture, everything, they were like fully broken.
Yeah.
And the entire house looked like freaking abandoned.
Like I saw a few villas, TikToks and all that, yeah. That the villa actual gates, the walls have broken in.
That's the
because of
force,
water.
yeah, the force of water is too massive. And then, didn't they shuttle out like tanks? Not tanks, water tankers.
They had like the
to
UAE
drain
army come and help evacuate people off the
Yeah.
area.
I think me and him, we saw a video of people like fishing.
Yeah.
That would be
Fishing.
me. That would be me. Like
No,
sitting
bro,
on
full
the-
Bengalis, man.
They caught the fish. Like they caught the fish and so I was like, wow.
Yeah, wow.
No, I swear, I saw a few Bengalis fucking fishing over there.
Beep beep. Actually.
Oh, God.
Are you done trying
Why?
to get us cancelled on the
I
internet?
have done nothing. I have done nothing.
The other day, I think it was on the podcast where he was like, what was it? He was fact shaming. Oh, were you fact shaming?
No, I cut it all out.
Did you cut it all out? Oh my god. Anyways, so that happened, and I did see like a couple of TikToks and reels on Instagram and stuff where there were actually water tanks because UAE is built in the desert, right? There's
Well,
barely a
actually,
chance of
there's a
rain.
reasoning why drainage systems over here can't work that well, and that's because when fine sand goes inside the systems, it gets blocked.
Yeah,
And then
it becomes that mud and sludge.
Yeah.
The only issue is because of that particular thing. You look at like places, for example, Arbana, where you live.
Yeah.
You look at Arabian Ranches. You look at International City, the biggest example, International City. The drainage system, the sewer system over there is shit.
Yo, do you remember we did to Saud in International City?
Oh yeah.
So it had rained a while back, and we were going in two cars. I had my Peugeot back then, and my friend had an Altima. So this guy decides to put down his windows, and I see a big puddle of water.
Yeah.
I went full speed, all the water on that guy's
The
face.
thing is, we have a friend named Gani. I wish his
Name drop everyone.
Yeah, it's fine.
Gun in Saud.
Yeah, Gani in South. So Gani is the guy who was driving. He was driving on the car, Accord, and South was in the passenger seat. So this idiot, he saw the water.
Yeah.
He like sped, and then the entire water like came inside the car. I was worried that my car, it got wet.
I
and
paid to
it's
clean everything.
freaking stinky water and stuff. I'm like, bro, you're paying for it.
Yeah, he has to pay for it.
So
It was worth it.
yeah, so what happened was Gani overtook us. He stopped. He wanted us to stop. The way he came out, he wanted to hit this guy, like punch him in the face. So this guy like locked the doors, put the windows up, and he's like, open the door, open the door, open the door. Like he's banging on the door and
And sound comes out like Triple H.
yeah, like he does this here,
More water everywhere. And it was sewage water, bro.
Yeah.
My car, I cleaned fully clean. I cleaned the Peugeot, I cleaned his car as well.
No, my car was fine. So it just dropped
Yeah.
water. All the water was like in the face and clothes.
It was
I was
so
happy
worth
for
it.
that,
It was so
like,
worth it. Later, we told them
Yeah.
that actually my Peugeot got water in the engine and we broke down. We went to Subway, had a few sandwiches to make them feel better. You know, like,
Okay.
as if karma got me.
Yeah. Well, speaking about.
They don't know this till now.
I'm not sure they know it.
No, they
Well,
don't
now they're gonna know it.
If they watch it.
If they watch it. Well, speaking about these lot and everything else, I think we've run out of time for this episode. So we'll see you guys next time. Stay tuned. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye.